Hi, I'm the audiobook worm, and today I'm sharing 3 reasons why you absolutely need to check out this amazing audiobook. Quicksilver by Callie Hart. Today we're diving into Quicksilver, the first novel in Callie Hart's Fae and Alchemy series, which came out in June 2024. It stars Cyrus Fane, a 24-year-old thief surviving in a brutal desert city called Ziliarine, where water is scarce and survival is an art of stealth and cunning. But when she steals a powerful artifact, she accidentally opens a gateway into Evilia, the glacial realm of the Fae. There she encounters Kingfisher, an enigmatic and dangerous Fae warrior whom she initially believes to be a death itself. He binds her to him, forcing her into Fae politics and magic she never asked for, but she might be the key to ending an ancient war. The novel navigates shifting loyalties, buried trauma, and a scorching enemies to lovers romance, all while building toward a much larger magical conflict. Why you might want to read it? Number 1. Savage world building meets groundbreaking magic. From the sand-scorched slums of Zilverine to the icy courts of Evilia, the world is as brutal as it is beautiful. Cyrus's ability to manipulate Quicksilver, a sentient metal, offers a unique magic system, intense but nuanced, dangerous yet transformative. It bridges realms, powers, relics, and threatens sanity if mishandled. Number 2. Enemies to lovers with emotional depth. The dynamic between Cyrus and Kingfisher is a slow-burning push-pull of mistrust, desperation, power plays, and unexpected tenderness. Their snarky banter and evolving chemistry not only deliver spice and tension but uncover layers of grief, sacrifice, and buried loyalty. The relationship eventually foregrounds the larger rebellion and mystical stakes at play. Number 3. Fast-paced, emotional, and addictive. Readers describe it as utterly unputdownable. Tense, heart-thundering battles, bold revelations, and midnight cliffhangers. While some reviewers noted pacing irregularities or formatting issues, the emotional weight and momentum across nearly 600 pages kept them reading in one go and reaching immediately for the sequel. Quicksilver is a wildly immersive fantasy romance that blends ruthless world building, a fresh magic system, morally gray characters, and a romance that smolders and sizzles. And those are just 3 reasons to read it. There's also the found family threads, political intrigue, side characters who live and breathe, and the promise of even bigger revelations in the sequel. Don't miss out! Get this audiobook today with Audible's free trial. That's unlimited access to a huge collection of audiobooks, podcasts, and Audible originals. Click the link below in the video description to start listening now. Thanks for watching and enjoy listening.